Hi guys, so my kids are still asleep. It's 6:30 in the morning and I decided to stay up a little bit early because I wanted to do a little bit of sewing on a quilting project that I'm doing, and it's just nice to have some quiet time before the chaos breaks out. And I wanted to have a little vlog, a very short vlog, but just a chance for you guys to get to know me a little better, because I know when I follow sewing channels, I love their vlogs because you feel like you get to know the person more, and that I can share some parts of my day and parts of my week of what I'm doing, except for filming sewing tutorials, because there is behind the scenes and I am a mom and I have routines that I'm doing, and I want to share that with you guys. So let's just enjoy an early morning. I am watching some television and sewing this quilting, this quilt, and yeah, just enjoying the peace and quiet. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm in my sewing studio and I'm going to clean up a little bit because it's super messy here. When it's messy around me, that's the only thing that I can think about. I can't think about being creative. But it always gets this messy when I am creative, and then I have to redo everything and clean up and make it spotless again, which is good because we want to work in a good environment, but it's not always easy to keep it like that. So I'm going to clean and then I'm going to start preparing for the tutorial coming up on Friday, which is a very beginner-friendly project, and I'm super excited about it. I haven't figured out the fabrics yet, and maybe you guys can help me. Okay, so I have started cleaning a little bit, and now I'm going to go through all of the things that I've made and to see what I'm going to donate and what I'm going to sell and what I'm going to keep. Because I cannot have everything in here because it gets so crowded and it gets just too much. So I'm going to go through everything to see if I can get rid of something and to get more space.